Hi everyone, I'm Kirsten from Bacon and Bellini. I'm here to go on a culinary journey through history, art, culture, and most importantly, food. So come with me on my journey, and remember, there's always room for bacon and beans. Kirsten here with Bacon and Bellini, and today we are here with Althea from Althea's Almost Famous. And today she's doing a cooking demonstration. It's gonna be fabulous, so check it out. Let's get started.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be making some rosemary roasted salmon, and we're gonna have some organic carrots. As you can see, we're kind of just soaking them to make sure they get really nice and clean. And then we're also gonna have some sauteed potatoes with some fresh parsley on there, and we have some fantastic dessert at the end. And I don't want to give away the secret, but you will have to wait to see the dessert at the end because it's beautiful. You don't even want to eat it. So we can get started. And before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all coming. And thank you to my support team, and half of them is not here today, but this is my best friend Nigella, and Billy and his wife, and I don't want to butcher your name, so Anna. Okay, great. I can't butcher that. Just a little bit. Billy works for the Warren Barbershop, and they have been supportive of my venture since day one. So thank you guys for being here. And his wife loves my juices and loves my food, so thank you. So we definitely have some salmon, and I know a lot of people are really partial about whether or not they want to wash their meats or not. But I did wash the salmon in lemon juice and vinegar before we got started. I put a little bit of fish seasoning on here, and this is not something that you can buy in the store, unfortunately not. It comes from Jamaica because I'm Jamaican, and most of my food incorporate Jamaican seasoning. But at the end of the day, you can add like lemon pepper seasoning or whatever it is that you want to add on your own salmon. Okay, so I have my knife here, so we're just gonna go down and just cut into pieces. All about not just doing it the way I'm doing it, but doing it the way that you want to do it. Incorporate things that you like into your diet. I might like potatoes and you might not. So just whatever it is that you like to do, go ahead and add that into your food. The most important thing is just making sure that whatever you're doing is healthy and something that you can eat and definitely have some leftover for work the next day, because that's my thing. I definitely want to bring some to work and with my staff. That's all they always like, what are you cooking today? You're gonna bring extras into work. So yes. So we're just gonna wait for that to get a little hot. In the meantime, we're gonna go back over to the sink and just make sure all of our carrots are nice and clean. We're just gonna cut off the tip. And it's important that you soak your vegetables at least in like a vegetable cleaning solution, because as you can see, there's like dirt on here. So you want to make sure that you soak it and get everything off. And then we will peel it. And vegetables are the most important things. And you definitely don't want to overcook those, because then that means you will eliminate a lot of the vitamins in the vegetables.
Okay, we're back here. This is Kirsten again from Bacon and Bellini. We're back, and now we have a finished product. Please tell us, Althea, what was made for us.
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, I made some roasted salmon, rosemary salmon, and then I have some cherry tomatoes, which is like my favorite. I love tomatoes. And then of course I have some carrots that we sauteed in a little bit of salted butter. So we didn't add any salt on there while we were actually cooking the meal. And then of course we have some gorgeous potatoes. And they're purple potatoes, and they're all russet potatoes, but they're different colors. And then I kind of just garnished it with some kiwi, which is just green, so it kind of complements everything. And I'm hoping that everyone will enjoy it. I think that everyone has already enjoyed the salad. So we are going to partake of this, and I can plate everybody up something, and we'll see how everyone likes it.
Oh, it looks good. They're gonna love it.
Well, it smells fantastic.
It smells great. You should have it smell. Now this cake looks delicious. Tell us.
Oh my
about
God! So this is like Denisha Reason, and she's all over Facebook. She has some fantastic cakes, and she makes all of the cakes for all of my events. And I don't really eat sweets, but trust me, I'm gonna eat some of this today. So this is like a strawberry glaze, and it has like buttercream icing. And when I told her, I'm like, just make whatever everybody's, favorite. And this is what she came up with. And I'm like, hey, whatever you make, I'm gonna eat, because everything that she does is just so awesome. It is.
It's a tall cake.
I know, she outdid herself. I'm telling you, she's just fantastic. It's like everybody has their niche. Mine is cooking, hers is baking, and here we go. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, it's awesome. Who's eating the first piece?
Remember, there's always room for Bacon and Bellini.